I'm Dr. Amanullah, working as a principal of Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences, RMI, Peshawar. RCHS has opened admission in 11 different programs of Allied Health Sciences. Therefore, I strongly recommend RCHS to the student who seeks admission in any discipline of Allied Health Sciences. But the question is, why one should choose RCHS? Therefore, I would like to tell you the salient feature of RCHS. Number one, dedicated, experienced and relevant faculty. Number two, conducive learning environment. Number three, a purpose-built campus including well-equipped classroom, state-of-the-art skill labs, library with digital access, sports complex, and at most important, RMI hospital for clinical rotation and clinical training. Apart from classroom teaching, we also focus on other adult learning techniques including peer assistant learning, tutorial, workshop, conference, and many other relevant techniques. In addition to this, we offer paid internship to our top 50% graduate for 1 year. Besides curricular activities, we also groom our students through co-curricular activities including sports, fun fair, cultural activities, and you can name it. So therefore, we are anxiously waiting for your wise decision to choose RMI as your second home for the next 4 years. And the RMI admission portal will be open till September 13, 2025.